When I first came across Voltomatix, I wasn't really looking for a new trading platform. I was already using a couple of other platforms, and honestly, I felt like I had everything I needed. But a friend of mine kept talking about it, saying how smooth the experience was, how many tools they had, and how they felt like it was really built for traders like us. So, I decided to give it a try. You know how it is. There's always this curiosity about whether a new platform might do something better. When I signed up, the first thing I noticed was how clean and professional everything looked. I know it sounds simple, but I've been on platforms before where the design felt outdated or cluttered, and it just gave off the wrong vibe. With Voltomatix, everything felt intuitive, like it was made for someone who actually trades. Setting up my account was straightforward. I put in my name, email, and password, and within a few minutes, my account was created. Of course, there's the KYC process, where you have to upload your ID and proof of address. I know some people find this a bit annoying, but to me, it's a good sign. It means the platform is taking things seriously and following the rules. I uploaded my documents, and within a day, my account was verified. It was fast, and there were no unnecessary back and forth emails. Once my account was ready, the next step was funding it. They offer a few options: credit cards, bank transfers, and even cryptocurrency. I went with a credit card for my first deposit because it's quick, and the funds were available in my account within an hour. No delays, no errors. That's always a relief because I've had issues with deposits taking days on other platforms, and it's frustrating. Now, when I logged in for the first time, I immediately liked how everything was laid out. The dashboard is clean and simple. You can see your portfolio, access the tools, and explore the markets, all from one screen. There's no overwhelming amount of information, but at the same time, everything you need is just a click away. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been trading for years, the layout makes sense. The first thing I did was check out the markets they offer. For me, one of the most important things in a trading platform is variety. I like to trade across different asset classes: Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, and Voltomatix delivers on this front. You can trade everything in one place, which means no more juggling between platforms or accounts. For Forex, they have all the major pairs like EUR, USD, and GBP, USD, as well as some minors and exotics. The spreads are tight, which is great for day trading, and the execution is fast. I didn't notice any slippage, even during high volatility, which is something that's been an issue for me on other platforms. Their cryptocurrency offering is solid too. They've got the big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also a few altcoins if you're looking to branch out. What's nice is that crypto trading is available 24/7. So if you're someone who likes to trade outside of traditional market hours, this is a big plus. They've also got a good selection of stocks, including major companies like Tesla, Apple, and Amazon. If you're into commodities, they have options like gold, silver, and crude oil, as well as agricultural products like wheat and coffee. And for indices, you can trade things like the NASDAQ 100 and S&P 500. It's a good mix, and it really lets you diversify your portfolio without having to jump through hoops. What stood out to me is how seamless it is to switch between these markets. On some platforms, it feels clunky, like they're not really designed for multi-market trading. But with Voltomatix, everything is integrated smoothly. It feels like they've really thought about how traders work. Now, let's talk about the tools, because this is where Voltomatix really shines. One of the first things I tried out was their charting feature. The charts are fully customizable, and you can add all the technical indicators you need: RSI, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci retracements, you name it. I like that you can adjust the settings to match your trading style. The charts are also responsive, and I didn't experience any lag, even when switching between time frames. Another tool I've been using a lot is the risk calculator. This has been a game changer for me. It helps you figure out potential profits and losses before you place a trade, which is so important for managing risk. I've used this for both Forex and crypto trades, and it's made a big difference in how I approach my positions. The economic calendar is another great feature. If you trade Forex or indices, you know how important it is to stay updated on global events. The calendar highlights things like interest rate decisions, GDP reports, and employment data. It's integrated right into the platform, so you don't have to go searching for this information elsewhere.